Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the disc golf retriever from the company OUHOUG, O-U-H-O-U-G. That's with all my purchases. I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing them in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. Okay, so we've got a couple different pieces. So first and foremost, this is a telescoping stainless steel retriever. I'm not going to be able to show you the whole thing, obviously, because it extends past my reach for my camera. Show you the handle's covered in plastic. It has a rubber-coated metal handle. When it's fully collapsed, it's 16 inches, and it expands out to 16 feet when fully expanded. Got a tip here on the end, and then you've got some different accessories that it comes with that you can simply screw onto the end. It's threaded, so I'm just going to screw this one. It feels great. Even though it's big and thick and sturdy, the whole thing weighs less than 1.5 pounds. And you can see as I'm threading it, it is really threaded, so it goes in there a long way. So when you're trying to retrieve your golf ball, you don't have to worry about this coming off at all. It threads in there really well. So you've got this end that you can use. Well, you can use it for various things, but I think the design of this is more so for golf. You're out playing golf, you want to reach and drag your ball back to the shore. You can do that. You've got a carrying case. You've got obviously this top for disc golf, which I actually bought it for golf, but I know a lot of people are getting into disc golf, so this would be for retrieving it for disc golf. And then you've got a couple just standard hooks that can be used for various things. For example, if you're trying to reach something maybe in a tight spot, maybe you're trying to clean out a birdhouse, something like that, you can use this hook, or you can use this hook for hanging things, so on and so forth. So 4 different hooks, and then the telescoping rod with the carrying case. I hope the unboxing helps.